In New York, it's customary for a buyer's attorney to order a title report once the contract of sale has been finalized. First-time home buyers usually ask, "What's a title report?" In this video, we'll explain what they are and the role they play in real estate transactions. Specifically, a title report is a written analysis of the status of title to real property, including a property description, names of title holders, how title is held, property tax rates, encumbrances, etc. A title report also serves as the basis of title insurance coverage, meaning the report identifies what the title company will insure as well as the matters that fall outside of their coverage. But first, why does a home buyer need all of this information? At its most basic, a title report will confirm that a seller actually owns the property and has the legal right to sell it. Similarly, a title report includes a legal description that identifies the exact boundary lines of the property being transferred. While not every title report will include a survey is often required when a buyer is obtaining a loan. A title report will also identify whether there are any existing liens recorded against the property, such as mortgages. As the buyer, it's important to make sure any existing mortgages are paid off at closing to ensure clear title is transferred to you without any liens. In addition to liens, a title report will include property tax information that shows the school district in which the property is located, the most recent tax assessment, the current property tax payment amounts, their due dates, and whether they have been paid. These figures will be adjusted at closing to ensure either the buyer or seller receive the appropriate credits depending upon whether the property taxes for the fiscal period are paid or open. Another major section of a title report includes information from the local building department including certificates of occupancy, certificates of compliance, open permits, etc. Generally, the purpose of these documents is to ensure that not just the structure itself was built according to local building codes, but any renovations or additions to the property such as extra rooms, swimming pools, heating, air conditioning, and other projects were also performed according to local code. There's usually more to a title report, but those are the basics that cover the more important aspects of title associated with buying real estate. When a buyer is obtaining a loan, it's important to mention that there isn't a lender in the world who is going to fork over several $100,000 without first reviewing a title report. In legal language, that's what attorneys refer to as the lender protecting its interest. Finally, when looking at a title report for the first time, a buyer may feel lost, and that's to be expected. There is a lot of legal language stuffed in a title report, but please keep in mind that, as real estate attorneys, your team at the Donaldson Law Firm has reviewed more title reports than we can count. Accordingly, we will be sure to bring any issues with title to your attention immediately along with recommendations regarding the best course of action. For more information about buying and selling real estate in New York, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at thedonaldsonlawfirm.com.